Silver against US dollar this week has lost its value. We can see the price movement, a bearish breakout on a Monday, where the price continued to lose its value, going all the way to the next support level, 31.18. And we can see the price is bouncing from this area of support and then returning back up and then bouncing back down. We can see that the price on a Friday formed a bullish pin bar right here at the support level at 31.18. Weekly time frame shows us currently it is a bearish candle format, where the base bearish candle has engulfing 2 previous weeks, which is very important information for the bears, because it seems that these bears have enough strength to push the price even further down, but we'll see on the lower time frame what happens. Monthly time frame has closed as a, we can see that indecision candle. It is a bearish pin bar format right here. But what is very important, we can see that in the previous month we had a bullish breakout, which has been confirmed, bullish breakout above 30.46. This bullish breakout has been confirmed, which is suggesting further rise in value. But this candle that has been formed right here doesn't look that there is enough strength for the bulls to push the price higher. But let's see what happens on the weekly and the daily time frame. What I can see currently, the price has stopped around this area of support. We can see that around 31.12, but there is an open space to 30.46 for the weekly time frame. The daily time frame shows me that we are currently at the support level. We can see that on the daily, but there is also open space for the price to go even further down, reaching a lower price lows. Well, will the price manage to go even further down? This is something that we need to pay attention closely. What happens around this area of support? Because the price has reached support level and it has bounced back up, forming a bullish pin bar. A bullish pin bar at the support suggests further rise in value. 4-hour time frame shows me that we had a bounce from this area of support at 30.87. We can see that, and it is currently stopped at 31.18, a resistance level. So we are currently at the resistance level on the 4-hour time frame, and we can see that on a 1-hour time frame it is also a resistance level for the price. Will the price go further up, making a bullish breakout on a 1-hour time frame, suggesting further rise in value, or it will bounce back down? So because of the price is currently at the resistance level, there is no clear bullish or bearish breakout, especially bullish breakout. So we need to pay attention what happens around this area of resistance. I will wait and see and follow the price. When the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout around this area here, I will notify the traders inside the premium analysis so they are informed where the price is heading. So for now, I'm waiting for the Monday to see how the price will behave around this area of support. On the daily time frame, we are currently at the support level, but on the 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, we are at the resistance, which means on the lower time frame, the price has gone below this area of support and it is currently having problems going further up. But on the daily time frame, we are at the support level that is open to see the price go up or go down. So let's see what happens. If you would like to receive updates on each day during the week, feel free to check the premium analysis where you receive information of bullish or bearish breakout with the target where the price is heading. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.